Hi guys, it's Synolve. How are you guys doing? I sure hope you're doing well. Well, today I am here back for another video, but this video is so amazing and I'm so excited. Can you tell? Can you tell? So I am participating in a challenge with Planter TV, and the challenge is the Planter Herb Garden Challenge. Okay, Planter Herb Garden Challenge. All right, and the hashtag is hashtag Planter HGC 2023. Yes, so I'm participating today and I'm so excited. So the whole thing of the challenge, so the rules of the challenge are to plant on February the 1st. It's February 2nd, right? But we ain't worried about that. So it is to plant on February the 1st and herbs, right? And you have to pick 5 herbs, okay, to choose from. And then you plant them and we're gonna watch them grow from January. Is this January? It's February. Hubby says February. So, all right, but Hubby's not ever. It is from February 1, and then we're gonna watch them grow all the way to June 1. And then in June, Planter is gonna choose a winner, the best person or the herbs that look the best. Now, y'all know I love herbs. If you follow me on Instagram or TikTok or even Facebook, you already know I love herbs. I love herbal remedies. I use a lot of herbal remedies. I make a lot of teas for myself and for hubby. And so I love growing herbs. You've probably seen me grow some herbs in our garden and here and out at the urban garden. So I'm excited to be a part of this challenge. So we're gonna get started. The first thing we're going to do is choose some seeds. Here we go. I don't know how to choose because y'all know I love everything. All right, so I got my seeds. So I'm going to grab my seeds. Gotta keep them in this bag. My herb seeds are all in this bag away from everybody else's seeds. Y'all know how, yes, I'll be hiding my seeds from everybody. So here are my herb seeds. And so we're gonna choose 5. I don't know what to choose. I went through these last night and I don't know what to choose. But I'm going to choose some seeds from one of my favorite seed companies, and that is, got to get that thumbnail, it's So Right Seeds, okay? And I have got a discount below. It's Craft 10, and you can use that and get 10% off not only seeds, but anything that you buy in the store. So off your whole purchase, you're going to get 10%. So look down, it's Craft 10. And I'm going to leave all the links and everything below. Just when you check out, just use my code, okay? And it goes to help support the urban garden and our nonprofit, the Hubby and I run together, that provides training and job training, life skills training to people here in the Mid-South and Memphis area. So, all right, ready to go. Look, they said 5. I am not going to plant all of these. Okay, I got some. I can eliminate some of those already because these are veggies. So I'm gonna eliminate those, get the broccoli out of there. The cabbage, I'm gonna get that out. Turnip. So what I got left, I got calendula, echinacea chives, some catgrass. I've never tried catgrass. Milkweed, let's see, peppermint, mint, there's bergamot. I love bergamot. So I know I'm gonna do bergamot as we're going through, okay? So I'm gonna I chose 1, that's 1. And hubby loves mint, and he loves to put mint in his tea. So I am gonna choose this mint. I should have asked him which mint he wanted. This is Mentha spicata. All right, so y'all pronounce that in the green room, okay? Y'all come on in the audience. So I'm gonna do that one. There is a peppermint, which is Mentha pepperita. Hey, hubby, which one you like better? The pepperita or this one? The mint. Okay, so hubby says mint, so we're gonna do the mint. That's bergamot, that's 2. Let's see, there's I don't know, let's see. I love chives. Y'all know that. I am going to do the marjoram. Okay, I'm going to do the marjoram because I saw someone else, and if I think of her name, I'll put it on the screen, but I saw her growing marjoram. She's also in the challenge. Let's see, what else? Got that peppermint. Oh, I'm going to do oregano. And I'm going to do oregano. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, which I know I'm not cheating. Okay. All right, so that's 4 bergamot. And do I do lavender? I did chives, right? Oh, am I going to do chives? Because I love chives. I love to eat the chives, the tops of the chives, the flowers. Girl, I don't never, sir, I'm just telling you, I never let the chives go all the way to the end because I always eat them. So let's sit that on the side. I'm gonna do lemon balm. There's sage, milkweed. I got milkweed out in the garden. There's more chives. There's echinacea. I got echinacea and calendula. But I'm only gonna do 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. I just need 1 more. So I don't know. Let's see. I think I may just go ahead and do the lemon balm because the lemon balm is one of my favorites. So we got our 5 right there. So, okay. So we got bergamot, and this makes a really nice tea. And if you mix the bergamot and the lemon balm, oh my gosh, and some lemon and honey, that's a beautiful tea. It's great for pain. It works for me, okay? I'm not a doctor, so I ain't trying to give you no medical advice. Hubby loves mint. I'm gonna try the marjoram because I know it's good for women. And I am gonna do oregano. Yeah, I think I planted all my thyme because thyme would be one of the ones that I would plant because I really like thyme. It's one of my favorite plants. Sorry about the noise, guys. But all right, so let's get planting. Let's get started. Let me put these in the pot. Don't you like this setup that I have right there? Hubby braced the cold. He fought the cold and the winter and the bears and the foxes and the deer and the antelope and the snow and the ice and the winter storm to go out and to get me soil so that I could plant and be ready for this challenge. So let's get started. So hubby set up this stand for me. It's so sweet. Okay, I love it, man. But I'm just saying, so I wanted to do this challenge with Planter TV and all these amazing gardeners and growers. But I didn't get to Lowe's. Y'all know I get free pots from Lowe's. Excuse me. Because of the ice. So I didn't really have anything to grow with. And these have been through a couple of growing seasons, as you can see. So I didn't really want to come on camera, you know what I'm saying, with my raggedy pots. Y'all all showing y'all nice new pots. I do have 2 maybe that would make it. So what I'm going to do is, I think I'm going to use the ones that hubby's going to clean out the sink. That'll be our first time using it, so it should be interesting. And then he set this up for me, and he got these styrofoam cups out. You can also use these water bottles too, which we had, you know, we bought some of these, y'all remember. I'll probably do a video on my haul. So we got water because of the ice, but yeah, you can also use these as well. So whatever you got, nothing can stop you from growing. At least that's what hubby is sharing with me and letting me know. So this is awesome. And so now I think we're going to use these. We're going to get them all cleaned out and use this as our growing, as our little pot. So y'all look at this, and it's cute how he set this up on the kitchen table. Y'all, I love that man. I love that man. All right, so first I'm gonna clean all these out. Hubby's gonna help me. Don't do this with your husband, I'm just saying. Anyway, y'all, okay, how be that ever? Grown folks stuff. Look.
Right on, now tape the show now. You police is on?
No, you don't mess with nobody on camera.
No.
All right, so these are the bottles. I had to keep looking up my joke. All right, so these are the bottles, and hubby brought in, and he's gonna help me wash these out, and he's gonna cut them because Why people don't trust me with scissors, I don't know. But I kind of got the marks to show why people don't trust me with scissors. I don't know if y'all can see that. So I kind of got marks, you know, to show. But anyway, so he's going to help me do that. I think I'm going to use these cans, bottles or whatever, instead of using this other option that I got. I'm going to start. Hubby's going to cut these. All cleaned out, just like that. And so now we're just drying them. Hubby's just drying these out. Be careful not to cut yourself. Just cleaning off some of the ones. Let's see. Careful. Got our 5. All right, so the first one is this one. I've already cut it open, and it's the lemon balm. So I filled this one with dirt. We'll fill the rest together, and we'll put a few little seeds in there. Okay. So now I'm just going to fill this one with dirt. Poured a little bit of it off, and so now let's fill the rest of these. So now I'm just planting bergamot, and this one is also from Sow Right Seeds. So we're gonna just get them cut all up and ready to go and start planting these and dropping these seeds. How to do this one, because the lemon balm didn't have as much, so I'm just gonna spray, and then this is our bergamot. I need to go get a pen so that I can write on this one. I'm gonna try this Sharpie, this jumbo king size marker. Let's see if the water gonna come off there. Okay, this is bergamot. This one is oregano, and we are going to do the same thing. Let's drop these seeds. Let's get them on in there, and let's start planting. That's enough of that one too. So I'm just going to spray him. That's oregano. And then let me make my label, and I'll come back. So there's that one. I guess I could have made all of them while I was gone. So we'll scoop her back. And then all right, so we got our marjoram, and we're gonna drop these in. I'm excited to try these. All right, and the last one is gonna be the mint. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this one up. It's the Mentha Spicata, and of course Sow Right Seeds, which I have a code. It's Craft 10. So I have them all. I have my lemon balm, my bergamot, oregano, marjoram, and mint. Of course, hubby had to come check my work, and he said I need to cover my seeds. There we go. All right, guys. Well, I'm excited to plant these. I'm so excited. So look, let me know what you guys are planting if you are going to join in. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see how these grows, and I can't wait to make more herbal tea. So come on, join in with the challenge. It's not too late. And thank you so much to Planter TV for sponsoring this challenge, for coming up with this amazing idea. You're bringing gardeners together all around the world, and you, sir, are amazing. And to all the participants, y'all are amazing. Gardeners, you are so amazing, and I'm so proud of you. I'm just waiting so I can stop by all y'all's houses and all y'all gardens. You know, hubby and I looking through the bushes, I'm just saying, and like David said, and we're just watching, right? Watching, trying to see what y'all are growing, because we know that it's going to be amazing. So shout out to Planter, and shout out to everyone who's participating in this amazing challenge. Keep growing, y'all. Yes, we're gonna be sipping some tea. I love you guys so much, and as always, I'm gonna see you in another video real soon. Bye bye, guys.